Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting tetration problem. And here we got this tetration function. And we got 2 with the left exponents 3. And now our task is to find the exact value of this tetration function. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus once again on this given expression. And here our exponent 3 is called the left exponent, or sometimes we call it hyper exponent. Before we could calculate the value of this 2 power left exponent 3, we are going to go over the basic review. Let's focus on our regular notation. We got 2 and with exponent 3, and this is our right exponent. And when we have a base 2 with exponent 3, that means we are going to multiply 2 3 times, and if we multiply, that is going to give us 8. So therefore we know that 2 power 3 is always 8. And now we are going to focus on this 2 with the left exponent 3. Then this could be written as 2 and then power 2 and then power 2. So that means if this left exponent is 3, then we are going to make a tower of these 2's 3 times. And here's another example. And here our left exponent is 4. So therefore this time we are going to have a tower of 2, 2, 2, 4 times. So thus if this left exponent is 3, then we are going to have these 3 times. If the left exponent is 4, then we are going to have these 4 times, and this goes on and on. And whenever we are dealing with these nested exponents, we are going to go from top to bottom. So therefore we are going to focus on this 2 power 2 first, and we know 2 power 2 is 4. So therefore this whole thing becomes 2 power 4, since 2 power 2 is 4 over here. And now we know 2 power 4 means we are going to multiply 2 4 times, and if we multiply them, that is going to give us 16. So thus 2 with the left exponent 3 is always equal to 16. And here's one more example. This time we have a 2 with the left exponent 4. Then this could be written as 2 4 times in this tower. And once again, in this kind of nested exponent tower, we are going to go from top to bottom. And now let's focus on 2 power 2, which is indeed 4. As you can see in this next step, this 2 power 2 turns out to be equal to 4. And now we are going to focus on 2 power 4. If we put 2 power 4, that is always equal to 16, since 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is always 16. As you can see in this next step, we got 2 power 16, since 2 power 4 is 16. And now 2 power 16 means that we are going to multiply 2 16 times. And when we multiply all these 16 times, we are going to get 65,536. So thus our 2 with the left exponent 4 turns out to be equal to 65,536. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.